Today we'll talk about the store operating procedures that we follow at Hotspot. Let's start with store opening. I've reached the store 30 minutes before the store opens for the customers. You also need to ensure that you be present at the store 30 minutes before the store opens for the customers. I'm waiting for my colleague to be here so that we can open the store together. Please ensure that at least 2 people are present at the store when it is open for the customers. Hey, hi, how are you? Good morning. While opening the store, a major point to be taken care of is the seal. We need to check the seal that it should not be tampered or broken. कोई छेड़खानी नहीं होनी चाहिए सील के साथ। अगर सील के साथ छेड़खानी हुई है, please ensure that you inform your BDM immediately and do not open the store until unless he arrives. Right now we can see the seal is perfectly fine and it is ready to be opened. When we say tampered or broken, यहाँ से अगर निकल गई है, if it is in this state, please ensure you do not open the store. Now we can finally open the store as the seal is perfectly fine. So let me do that. So now we have entered the store, we can see it's all dark. First thing we need to do is, we need to switch on the lights. So let's do it. Now as the lights are on, we'll switch on our computer. Here I am trying to switch on the computer. It's on now. Now we need to switch on the EDC machine. Yeah. Now we come towards the attendance register. We need to ensure that we sign in the attendance register. Also we need to ensure that we need to check if we have cash more than rupees 500. If we have it, we need to make an entry for that. In addition to this, we need to check if we are carrying any extra mobile or any accessory. Again, make an entry in the same register.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, sir.
कल क्या टारगेट था?
2 लाख रुपए टारगेट,
अच्छा, कितना किया आपने?
160 around.
So now here we have our team meeting going on, where the store manager is briefing his teammate on the sales targets achieved and the targets which were defined for that particular day. There are a lot of other things we talk about, like the pricing, any new offer that the company has introduced, and any new product or anything of that sort. Then we also talk about the previous day's issues, if there was any customer query that was unresolved or anything of that sort. So all things we cover during these. Now after opening the store, this is second thing we need to do. Get the store clean. Get the store clean and then we can start with the day.